Hi to all, this is Shiva signing in into Kollur lectures. As far as for the last video, we have discussed about nature of the roots of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 if ABC are rational. So now let us have a look on if ABC are irrational. If ABC are irrational, if A, B, C are irrational, what will happen? So now we can say very easily, the combination of rational and irrational, definitely it will become rational. So based on that logic, we can say it very simply. So now b square minus 4ac, if it is greater than 0, and even though if it is a perfect square and if it is not a perfect square, see, if b square minus 4ac is a perfect square and if it is not a perfect square, anyway b is an irrational number. So I don't want to introduce the case of whether it is a perfect square or not. So now what the value of x will become? X is equal to irrational plus or minus irrational upon irrational. So here if I see combination of two irrationals will gives you an irrational. Irrational upon irrational is nothing but irrational. As here we have plus and minus, I can say that the x values will be irrational and distinct. The roots are nothing but irrational and they will have different values. Distinct in the sense difference. In the same way, if I go for b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So now what will the x becomes? X will become irrational. So plus or minus b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. I don't want to comment on the plus or minus 0, you can leave it. Plus or minus 0 upon 2 into irrational, it will become an irrational itself. So here I can write it as irrational plus or minus 0, it is irrational. Irrational upon irrational, it will be irrational itself. Here, and one more thing which we need to notice is plus or minus 0, that means it will have two repeated roots. It will have two repeated roots. So what I can say here, it is x, the values of x will be irrational and equal. Irrational and equal. Now let us have a look on if b square minus 4ac is less than 0 when if a, b, c are irrational. If a, b, c are irrational. So now what about if b square minus 4ac is less than 0? What about x value? X will be, so normally minus b in the sense irrational plus or minus, so b square minus 4ac is less than 0, so minus irrational upon 2 into irrational will gives you irrational itself. So now the x values will be, so the same irrational I can write plus or minus. Here minus 1 is there, so which is nothing but I square. So I can write it as root over I square into root over irrational upon irrational. So simply irrational plus or minus I root over irrational upon irrational. So the combination of irrationals. So as here we have seen I value. So I can say that the value of x will be complex number. I mean imaginary. Simply speaking, it will be an imaginary. The value of x will be imaginary and they are conjugate to each other. And they are conjugate to each other. So this is what about a small description of nature of quadratic equation if a, b, c are irrational. So we have seen the case when b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, the roots will be irrational and distinct, and at the same time when b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, irrational and equal. When b square minus 4ac is less than 0, so automatically the roots will be of imaginary numbers and they are conjugate to each other. That's all, my dear friends, in this video. In the upcoming video we are going to discuss about if ABC are real. If ABC are real. Thank you so much, and it is the right time to sign off from me from Kolluru Lectures. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.